Hey guys, I have here with me my Eureka commercial vacuum I use commercially on my carpet cleaning business. It does get quite full quite often. This is one of those times where it's probably been the fullest it's ever been. As you can see, if you just touch it, it, it falls back. It's nothing. It's very unstable right now. It's up to about here. Get the handle down. Kind of gets the big sag on there. Yeah, nice and full. So I've got a big cleaning job in World Golf Village tomorrow. I need to get this tuned up and working good for me. So figured I'd have a little fun and make a video while I had to do this, since I've done this to other machines on YouTube before. So we're going to start with unzipping the bag and removing the old one. Has a pretty high dust line anyways right here, and it's by an inch or two past it. Nice packed bag there. So we'll just roll this down, take that off. There you go. Nice full genuine Eureka filter air FNG. So we'll set this to the side. I'll take my Purple Power in my Meguiar's Tire Shine bottle, spray all this out. Get a little wipe down in there. Wipe off the tube a little bit. Fairly decent in there. Not really too bad at all. While the bag's out, I kind of like to spray off the outside. Wipe the outside of the bag off too. Make it all nice and clean. Casing might have sprayed through. Okay, that's good enough. I get OCD if I keep going. Anyway, a brand new genuine Eureka style FNG filter air bag. Roll that back down. I like to bunch it all to one side like that, bend it up. I don't like it when it gets gathered around here. I just like that one little spot, and I roll it up here. Yes, I'm an expert FNG bag replacer. My favorite. I'm gonna stick this back in here. Aww. The big bag's gone, oh well. Now I'll spray off the hood. Nice little wipe down on her here. That way it looks like I care now and then. Oh, my air conditioning is coming on. And now, I hate to do this here, but I know this is probably looking really bad. So I'm going to turn it over. Do like that. I only have one clip. This base is broken. I actually have that part that broke, but there's no latch on that side. So yeah, that looks pretty bad in there. So, slide this out real easy. Take some spray in there. You know, this doesn't have to be perfect because all I'm going to do is turn around and get it all messed up tomorrow after that first job anyway. It only takes one job to get it looking pretty bad in here. So just kind of get the bulk majority of it out. And yes, if I keep going, I'll get all OCD about it, so. Alright, got that cleaned out. Spray this thing down a little bit, clean it up a little. Get my spray on, spray this off a little bit. Just a quick tune up here on this. You know, like I said, it doesn't stay too clean that long. I got a couple little cracks in the belt, but it still seems to be working pretty good, so I'm going to run this belt another couple times before I change it. I like to get every bit of life out of stuff that I can. But yes, I don't tolerate once the brush rolls start slowing down and I smell stuff. No, I definitely fix it by then. It's back on there. It turned out pretty nice. Put that back on there and put my one clip back on. Wipe it off a little bit. A couple little fuzzies on the carpet here. Here she is. My tuned up Eureka commercial upright vacuum cleaner, all ready for my job tomorrow. And because the roommate and the son are asleep, I'll vacuum all this crap up tomorrow. They might not be too happy with me turning this on tonight. So I hope that was as fun for you as it was for me. Have a great afternoon.